Welcome back to Daytime Live. Now we're joined by Nicholas McIntyre, who's here to tell us about Dream Jamaica Summer Camp 2020. Welcome.
Hi, Nicholas.
Hey, what's up?
Good, man. We're good. Give us a rundown on how Dream Jamaica Summer Camp started.
Yeah, so tell us how Dream Weekend started.
No, Dream Jamaica Summer Camp.
Dream Jamaica Summer Camp started.
Dream Jamaica.
Yeah.
I see you're in the party vibes already. So let me develop the background about Dream Jamaica. Dream Jamaica is a charity organization based in the West, but it has been operating in Jamaica since 2008 and have impacted the lives of over 500 students from the high school level, from 7th grade straight to 13th grade, that's 6th form. Right? The program in itself since then has raised over $250,000 towards this camp. Initially it started as a camp and has been held in Kingston, Mona. However, this year the program has started to expand its reaches and try to spread across Jamaica more. So we are now operating in 3 additional satellite locations. So Western Jamaica campus of in Montego Bay, NCU in Mandeville, and Case in Portland. The program will be 100% online this year, of course, due to COVID-19 constraints. And it is now Dream Jamaica Summer Program and not Dream Jamaica Summer Camp, rightfully so, because we are now incorporating a whole lot of things more. Mentorship, personal and professional development, career coaching, college prep, and of course, at the end for our senior students, we have internship opportunities.
Excellent.
So when does the program begin?
So for this year, we are starting August 3. Already underway is our mentorship program, which will be starting sometime in July. Of course, we are mindful of some of internal and external exams still happening at the secondary level. So to facilitate all our students as best as possible, we will be starting on August 3 and run through to the 28th.
Mm-hmm. Excellent. So my question is, tell us what exactly will persons be doing? What is happening during this summer camp?
All right, so during the program itself, we will have trained professionals, teachers, and other professionals in their own discipline to do the session. So we have, for example, the career sessions, we will have professional persons. So you have a teacher, a doctor coming online and volunteering their time to lead these students who want to go into that particular area, right? For the academic session, we have trained teachers. We'll be working off syllabus to deliver maths and English mainly, right? And of course, for the mentorship and the coaching, we have motivational speakers coming in as well. So our schedule on a day-to-day would include about 5 to 7 hours, starting from about 10, with different brief breakdown, right? So we are mindful that even though it's an online platform, we don't want our students to be overwhelmed, right, to lose their attention span. So we'll have 30-minute sessions, right?
You refer a lot to mentors and mentorship. Who are some of the mentors that you've had in the past? And what kind of process do you have to go through to become a mentor?
Some mentors that would have had in the past are persons like a Terrell, a Journal Dark, and persons who are operating in the corporate here and who youngsters look up to. To become a mentor, it's very simple. You can go to our website at www.dreamjamaica.org to sign up and express that you're interested to mentor a child. And the most mentorship that we try as best as possible to offer one-on-one basis so that we can reach these students at where we need to meet them.
Right. So, quick question. What is there like a particular age group that this is targeted at? I know you mentioned subjects like math, English, is it targeted at persons particularly doing CXC coming up or everybody? Tell us about that. The demographic.
All right, our age range is from about 19 years old. Of course, the syllabus for the math and English classes would be targeted based on the grade level. So it includes those classes are for all of our students from 7th grade, from 12 years old up to 19 years old. And of course, the content of each subject or the subjects will be tweaked as to the grade level. So of course, for persons sitting CXC next year, they would have gotten experience or exposure in those topics.
Excellent.
Awesome. So, all right. So, quickly, Nicholas, how can we find you on social media?
All right, so we are up and running an IG, of course. Our IG page is our flagship page for social media because we understand that most of our target audience, demographic that we're targeting, young persons are on that platform. So we are at dreamer_JA. That's dreamer_JA. You can follow us there and get all of our updates there. You can also visit our website at www.dreamjamaica.org.
Okay.
Excellent.
And also
Awesome.
we have a YouTube channel, so you can also join our YouTube channels for post camp activity.
Excellent. Thank you so much for joining us, Nicholas. We love that. Thank you so much. Daytime Live will be right back, and we are talking about the Caribbean Journal. It's going to be amazing. Join us after the break.